So close to pulling into the spot, but I don't want to risk blowing up my engine out here a couple miles. That looks pretty good. It's a 50-degree January day, so I'm trying to get some cooking and camping in. I have a spot in mind. We'll see how it looks when I get there. Whoa! I think I'm at the spot I'm gonna stay for the night. There's quite a bit of snow on the trail, so my car is struggling a bit. It's a decent spot if I can get in there, and I'll be able to shovel it out a bit and have a nice night. Currently, cooling my car down because the oil temp light came on. So hopefully that won't take too long. I was so close to pulling into the spot, but I don't want to risk blowing up my engine out here a couple miles. That'd be pretty rough. But yeah, hopefully I'll get back to you soon and I'll be able to pull into the campsite. This might take a while. I might just have to stop here for a couple hours and then try to back in. I also am in the middle of the road, so if anyone else comes down this trail, I don't want to block them in. The light turned off. I think we can at least try to back into this campsite. Now that's done, time to change it to some dry, warm clothes. Ooh, look at the pretty colors. All right, I'll be back when I get dinner going. I'm making some Japanese curry for dinner tonight. Got everything I need. Start cooking. I'm going to cook the curry in this Dutch oven. This was a Christmas gift from a friend of mine, so thank you. Curry's cooking away. Once it comes to a boil, I'll add my Japanese curry roux. little bit of ketchup and syrup. Sounds like a word combo, but it'll add some sweetness and some acidity. I'm also adding a dash of rice vinegar. Sorry if kimchi doesn't go on curry, but it sounded good and I had some. That looks pretty good. Oh yeah, that's pretty awesome. Definitely gonna be making this again. It's getting cold out here. Low 30s, high 20s if I had to guess. I might have to move into the car in just a sec. Don't know if I can stop eating this though. Hopped into my car with what I have left for dinner. Probably finish that in just a second. There's like a quart and a half of leftover curry, so I'll probably eat that sometime this week. First, I'm gonna set up my bed and put up my curtains. The curtains and the window shades really help keep it a lot warmer in here during the night. Pretty well sealed in. It'll definitely keep it a little bit warmer in here. Gonna hang out and read for a bit, and I'll probably head to bed pretty soon after that. It's nice and cozy in here. I'm headed to bed. I'll see you in the morning. Good morning. It's a pretty nice morning. Sun's out. Still in the 30s. haven't figured it out by now, I'm making biscuits and gravy. Salt, black pepper, chili powder, garlic. Also adding a little bit of Worcestershire sauce. So it's going to be made with almond milk rather than regular milk, so that'll add some richness. Flour. Almond milk. Looks pretty tasty. Let's eat. After delicious biscuits and gravy breakfast, packed up camp, and now I'm ready to head out. It's a beautiful morning. I'll see you in the next one.